Thank you so much for choosing to stay with us. My name is Julia. I'm your host today. And today I'm going to show you how to use the keypad doorknob in the house. Okay, we have this kind of a doorknob installed in every single room. The privacy and the security is our first concern. Upon your arrival to our house, I will be providing you two passwords. One is the password to the door, and another one is the password to the bathroom. I will be providing link for the instruction to open the door in the description box. If you have not seen it before, feel free to watch it. And for this bedroom, right now the password is 0203. Let me show you how to open the bedroom. Right now it's locked, so you are not able to open the door. So the right and the last button will be the lock button. And the left, the last button will be the unlock button. So if you click it, it will beep 3 times. But it's not doing any action. So if you want to open the door, just press 0, 2, 0, 3 and press unlock. And there will be a blue light and the door is unlocked. And if you want to lock the door, it's easy. Just close it and press the right and last button here. Press the right and last button here and you will see a red light. And you cannot open the door because it's locked. And if you want to open again, you just tap in the PIN number and press unlock. And the door is unlocked. You can also choose to lock your door inside. It's totally up to your choice if you want to lock the door or you want to keep your door unlocked. Okay, so my instruction to open the door is pretty short. Thank you for watching today's video and I hope you enjoy your stay in my place. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me from the Airbnb app or any other source. Okay, I'll see you around. Thank you. Bye bye.